Stream your Zoom meeting on YouTube. Launch the OBS Studio on your computer, then under Source, click on this plus icon, select Window Capture. Here type Zoom Meeting and click on OK. Now click on this window drop down and select your Zoom meeting. And you can resize your Zoom meeting just like this. Now click on this plus icon to create here your Zoom audio output capture. Okay, and select here your audio output device, and to stream your Zoom input audio, again click on this plus icon. This time select audio input capture and select your microphone. Now here click on settings, select stream, click on this service drop down. Here click on show all and you have to scroll down and find out here YouTube, select YouTube RTMPS and now click on use stream key. Now go to your YouTube, click on create, go live, select right now, and here pick the type of stream to begin. Select here software, streaming software, and then here you will find your YouTube stream key. Just copy this stream key, then go back to your OBS and paste here your YouTube stream key, and then click on connect account and select your YouTube account, continue. Once you successfully authorized, go back to your OBS, apply, okay. Now all you have to need, just click on start streaming, and now you have to create a new broadcast before start streaming. So click on manage broadcast and here write your broadcast title, and you can add a description here. You can change your broadcast privacy, you can add here category, you can add a custom thumbnail here, and then just click on create broadcast. Once the broadcast successfully created, now click on start streaming, and here we can see I've successfully started to stream on my YouTube from OBS. Now let's go to our YouTube, and as you can see I've successfully started to stream my Zoom meeting on my YouTube.